dream I know, deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
The former National Vice Chairman, Northwest of the All Progressive Congress, ri0usly, has described as a mirage the presidential ambition of ri0usly, the ex-governor and 2023 presidential candidate of the new Nigeria People Party. Moving on, we have the money laundering trial of a former governor of Ekiti State, ri0usly, could not proceed on Thursday owing to the absence of the trial judge, Justice Chukwuejeku of the Federal High Court, Lagos. All right, my people, welcome back to this wonderful channel as we bring you back-to-back updates and information as it is hot. In case it's your first time of joining us on this wonderful channel, kindly go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share, and also remember to turn notification bell so that anytime our news drop, now you will be the first to watch. My people, no be small matter they happen for this country. Now on the news, the APC chieftain said Kwankwaso path to the presidency will take years of building and negotiation across the country, which may outlive his lifespan. Lockman, the former national vice chairman Northwest of the All Progressive Congress, has described as a mirage the presidential ambition of ri0usly. Lockman, who was a guest on Channel's television Politics Today, said that the ruling party can fast-track Kwankwaso's presidential ambition by opening the party door for him to come back and rebuild burnt bridges across the country. He said the corruption allegation facing APC National Chairman Abdullahi Ganduje in Kano has politically undertone, arguing that only a political solution would solve it. He said that the trouble facing Ganduje in Kano has to do with his squabble with Kwankwaso. He said that the protracted conflict between Ganduje and Kwankwaso was an avoidable crisis, which emerged because the party didn't handle it well, which made Kwankwaso dump the ruling party. So they must push Dr. Abdullahi Ganduje to renegotiate relationship back in his state because it is political. So if he don't approach it politically, he will never take it away. He said he can replace Dr. Abdullahi Ganduje if the capacity to get leaders to do the right thing in their base is not addressed, that they will continue to get into this. Ganduje and some of his family members are being probed by the state anti-graft agency under the control of Governor Abba Yusuf of the NNPP over corruption charges, and the matter is in court. APC World Chieftain has suspended Ganduje, but the matter has been roped in conflicting court judgments, with the APC disowning those chieftaincy and affirming the ex-Kano governor as the party national chairman. Lookman, a former director general of Progressive Governors Forum of the ruling APC, said that they must accept that things are not all right within the APC. They should forget about Ganduje matter in Kano, that the reality is that they have a problem that requires them to come back to rebuild their party. That the ambition of Senator Kwankwaso is to become the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Where he is today, he can confidently say that it will be like a mirage for him to be the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So it will take years of building and negotiation across the country, which may outlive his lifespan. And if they are to fast track it and open their party for him to come back in such a way that they renegotiate his relationship with Dr. Abdullahi Ganduje and across the states, that they will also renegotiate relationship between leaders and bring in new forces, that Nigeria are even likely to have more confidence in the party. If that can help, they should just do it, because the way we are saying things in APC, the way we are saying things between Kwankwaso and Ganduje, things are not right at all. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying with us. Moving on to the next one. The money laundering trial of former governor of Ekiti State, ri0usly, could not proceed on Thursday owing to the absence of the trial judge, Justice Chukwuejeku of the Federal High Court, Lagos. Justice Eneke was said to be away on an official assignment, prompting the adjournment of the case to July 1st for the continuation of trial. ri0usly is being prosecuted by the Economic and Financial Crime Commission, EFCC, for an alleged 6.9 billion fraud and money laundering. He was first arraigned on October 22, 2018 before Justice Mojisola Olatotegu, along his company, Spotless Investment Limited, on an 11-count charge bordering on fraud and money laundering offenses. He pleaded not guilty to the charge and was granted bail on October 24, 2018 in the sum of 50 million with sureties in like sum. So now they said the judge is not around, that he traveled. So the case has been adjourned to July 1st. This clown knows that they are not going to do shit to him. He supported Asiwaju President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. That is why he's indirectly mocking the EFCC with his shirt during the time he appeared in 2018, where he said, EFCC, I'm here. This is how to respond to EFCC. That is what people are saying. That Fayose that year came with polo boldly written, EFCC, I'm here. But saying since he supported Asiwaju in 2018, that they are not going to do him anything. These people steal in billions. Cash out just full everywhere. Judiciary has finished Nigeria to the ground, yet many are blaming the politician instead of the judges. If you really know the power and role of judges in a nation, you won't blame politicians for their corruption. Just look at, he pleaded not guilty during 18 and he was granted bail. So how will he not mock the EFCC with his poll? That's why he was bold enough to print EFCC I'm here on his t-shirt. These people are just fooling Nigerians, both the EFCC and politicians. They are just acting scripts. I hope they are not deceiving us this time around during this case of Yaya Bello. From day one, Fayose case has been frustrating. It will take another decade for this case to go on endlessly until the money is irrecoverable. The Nigerian judiciary system is also a problem. They keep on adjourning cases until the public loses interest. That is not right. Others are saying that another evidence that judiciary is helping corruption to grow in our nation, that if now one Yahoo boy, now the judge might be first in the court to convict the poor boy. But when it comes to politicians, it's different story always. Now God will help us for this country. Fraud here and there, and the poor masses are suffering from acute lack and hunger. Be like say when it comes to Nigerian looters and embezzlers, stealing of public funds and resources, then judges are always absent, or the politician is mostly sick and need to travel out of the country for medical treatment. Or more, what a country. Do you think it's not all calculated effort from the top to the bottom? Nigerian lawyers and judges are corrupt to the bone, and they have no shame. A case that would have taken few weeks to prosecute in developed country is now taking over 6 years in the process. Vital evidence will be lost. Case that started since 2018. Can you imagine? So now that is why he was supporting President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. You think EFCC got anything on him? Nigeria is under Red Sea as it stands now. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts. Your contributions, opinions are in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you all so much for staying with us. We really do appreciate. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, do us a favor to like and subscribe, and also share. Don't forget to turn on notification bell to get notified when next we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for staying with us. To all our viewers out there, thank you so much for staying with us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your awareness. Stay safe, guys. Bye.